Hey guys, it's Jake here with eTrailer. Today we're going to talk about brake controllers, and we're going to talk about the functions that are going to be universal throughout the different types of brake controllers so that you feel comfortable using one when you're pulling a trailer with brakes. A brake controller is designed to be installed inside the cab of your vehicle. It's going to be wired into the vehicle's braking system, take a signal from the brake pedal and send it back to the trailer so that the vehicle is stopping itself and the trailer is going to stop itself. There are going to be a couple of different types of brake controllers, but they're all going to do the same thing. Here we have 5 examples of box style brake controllers. We also have knob style brake controllers, factory brake controllers, and now we have wireless brake controllers that you can connect to your phone and control the brakes on your trailer by just using an app on your phone. Now today we're not going to show you how to install a brake controller because we have many videos showing how to install a brake controller on different vehicles for different brake controllers. So check those out if you're in the installation process, and then check back in with this video to see how to match the gain and boost to best fit your trailer. So the easiest way to explain boost and gain is that gain is going to be the amount of power you are wanting to send back to the trailer. And that you're gonna have to just adjust on the fly while you're driving. You can feel the trailer either pushing or pulling you. If it's pushing you, you don't have enough gain. And if it's pulling you back, you have too much. You want the truck to stop itself and the trailer to stop itself. Now the boost is going to be the rate at which you're sending that power back to the trailer. So say if you have the gain set to 5, that's going to be a medium power sending back to your trailer. If you have your boost set to 1, that's going to send it back slowly or work up to that 5 number slowly. If you have it set to 3 or 4 on your boost, it's going to send that 5 back much faster, and it's going to jump up faster because you're wanting a faster rate of braking. So for example, on my factory brake controller in my truck, we have a plus sign and a minus sign. This is to adjust the gain up and down. And then here we have the manual override, which is what you'll see on a lot of different brake controllers. And it's just designed if you're coming to a stop, but you need to apply more brakes in the trailer than you'd want to in the vehicle. In the case of an emergency, you just pull that manual override and it'll apply just the brakes to the trailer and you won't have to push so hard in the vehicle. Now in a factory brake controller, you may not have a visible boost option on by the instrument cluster itself, but on your dash, you should have a selection where you can go through and select different things, and you can find the brake type, and it'll either say something like light electric or heavy electric. Light electric is like having a low boost, heavy electric is like having a high boost. All right, so here we are in a controlled area pulling our trailer, and we're gonna start with our gain at about 4. We'll hit the brakes. I can tell that the vehicle is being pushed a little bit further than it would typically stop by itself. That's why it's a good idea to know how your vehicle brakes without a trailer. So we'll go ahead and bump it up a few notches because it felt like it needed a lot more. So we'll bump it up to, say, 7. Now it feels like it's pulling me back, so we'll lower it back down. And this is the kind of fine tuning that you need to do in order to match it up to your trailer. So it looks like 5 is just about perfect for this trailer. Well guys, hopefully this video was able to help you set your brake controller to the right gain and boost to match your truck and your trailer perfectly. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below and we'll see you next time.